This unit here is an Atlas Copco XAHS900, which means you're getting 900 CFM at 175 PSI. It's a 2011 model, it's got 4,900 hours on it, it's fully serviced, it runs really well, and it's a 6-month warranty back to base on the air end and major engine components. $50,000 plus GST is way under half price of this machine new on the market. So it's a great purchase for anyone who needs high pressure air or medium pressure air for blasting, for drilling, and for large applications in industry and mining. Have a look at it. Caterpillar diesel engine, fully serviced, neat, tidy, no leaks, very reliable, and maintained by Air Powered Services. Ready to go and easy to operate, very compact on site to move around as well. I'll start it up. If you've got any questions on the product, give us a call. Very reliable and great for your business if you need high pressure, high volume air. Starting again, power on. Hit the start button, the unit will go through its pre-start checks and then automatically start.